Hi and hello, loves. How are you doing? I hope you're all doing fine. Personally, I am doing so great. Being on a Sunday today, Sunday is always a lazy day. So today, I'm cooking beef fried rice for lunch. And guys, I've already done most most of it all. So probably nitaonyesha tu mali nimefikia and then the outcome of it. Yeah. Stay tuned. Let me get to it. There's our beef. It's already boiled. Yeah, I'll do another video giving you the recipe for this beef fried rice. And then I have my rice here. I've already boiled it. It's already boiled. It's not fully cooked. It's like three-quarter cooked. You'll see why. Yeah, I'll make sure you do. Stay tuned and let us wait to see what this meal is gonna be in the end. This way we pre-cook the rice cause tunafaa kuimix na nini na the stew kama bado ina boil alafu they cook together, so ndo by the time inaiva, by the time the minutes are up itapata rice kama imeiva, ndo pia tusi overcook. Yeah, wait for the end results. Time for the final truth, guys. Guys, fantastic guy. Ungekuwa na wizard marry me. But anyway, it's dope, guys. It's dope. Guys, here we are. It's done. It's done. Here's our beef fried rice with fried fish, dry fried fish. So this is my meal for Sunday afternoon. This is my Sunday lunch. Yeah. I'll be sure to do a recipe for you guys. Yeah.